prepare a passion fruit dessert. Come with me. Those are the ingredients. 1 can of grain of milk, 1 can of condensed milk, 1/2 cup of passion fruit juice, 1 package of Ducales cookies, and 1 mold. Time to cook! In the blender, mix the condensed milk with the cream of milk. Little by little, pour the passion fruit juice until the mix becomes thick. A layer of mixture and a layer of cookies. Doing this step until you have 3 or 4 layers. After that, keep it in the fridge for about 2 or 3 hours. Finally, cut in pieces and enjoy. Bye, see you tomorrow.